Hi my friends, my name is Vizentinis, and I have to welcome you to training for Android developers. Here you will find set of lessons within classes that describe how to accomplish a specific task with code samples you can reuse in your app. First, I will show you how to create an Android project. An Android project contains all the files that comprise the source code of your Android app. The Android SDK tools make it easy to start a new Android project with a set of default project directories and files. In this lesson, I will show you how to create a new project using Eclipse. So let's start. Go to New Android application project, and we have this window appears. First is the application name. The application name is the app name that appears to users. For this project we can use my first app. The project name is the name of your project directory and the name visible in Eclipse. This must be a unique name in all workspace, within your workspace. The package name, as you see here, is the package namespace for your application, following the same rules as packages in Java programming language. Your package name must be unique across all packages for packages that install it on Android system. For this reason, it's generally best if you use a name that begins with a reverse domain name of your organization. For this project we can use this one, and we can delete the example and use our domain name. My name is Vizentinis, and here is my package name. Or you can use the example as it was before, but you can't publish the program with package name with example inside. The minimum required SDK is the lowest version of Android that your app supports. Indicate using the API level. To support as many devices as possible, you should set this to the lowest version available that allows your app to provide its core feature set. In any feature of your app is possible only on newer version of Android and isn't not critical to the app's core feature set. You can enable the feature only when running on the versions that support it. Leave this set to the default value for this project. You can see here all the SDK. The target SDK indicates the highest version of Android, also using API level, with which you have tested your application. As new versions of Android become available, you should test your app on the new version and update this value to match to the latest API level in order to take advantage of new platform features. Compile with is the platform version against which you will compile your app. By default, this is set to the latest version of Android available in your SDK. It should be Android 4.1 or greater. If you don't have such a version available, you must install on one using the SDK manager. You can still build your app to support older version, but setting the build target to the latest version allows you to enable new features and optimize your app for a great user experience on the latest devices. The last one is M, specifies the Android user interface style to apply for your app. We can leave this alone and click next. In this screen we can configure the project leave the default selections and click next. The next screen can help you create a launcher icon for your app. You can customize an icon in several ways, and the tool generates an icon for all screen densities. Before you publish your app, you should be sure your icon meets the specification defined in the iconography design guide. We leave it as it is. Click next. Now you can select an activity template from which to begin building your app. For this project, select blank activity and click next. Leave all the details for the activity in the default state and click finish. So that's the way we create a new Android application, and all the magic things will happen. That's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again in the next time to run the application. Install the AVD and run the application. Thank you.